First off, I owe everybody an apology for the dude that showed up last night. I was running late, and apparently some weird ass dude showed up and started reading stuff and like trying to pick up members of the audience. And by the time I showed up, everybody had split. So the door's locked. Whatever that I'm sure that guy won't be back. Sorry about that. We're going to offset some of that toxic energy that he brought to the room with something very different. I can't really say this title without laughing. Some of these titles are just so ponderous sounding, and they're promising a lot. You, the reader, get to decide if they deliver what they promise. Also realized that there's a lot of bird poems with birds in this here book. And this is one of them. How to Become One with Nature. Small birds don't live very long. Mayflies much shorter. A creek may lie fallow 50 years to wake one sated spring, rage wilder, wider than before. Sequoias seem forever till they aren't. Death dies different out here. Blue dollar hawk's perimeter sweep yields a house finch. No house, no heaven, no tears. The resurrected creek makes crinkly sounds. A kid feeling her Christmas present under the dying spruce, trying to guess before ripping it open. Thanks for coming.